Traditionally, our long-haul markets have been USA, Canada, and recently India and China are showing huge potential. The Australasia market as well, but the Australasia market, many will actually book through a larger wholesaler or tour operator through the US. We are also just in Korea at the moment, South Korea, as new access routes are coming in all the time through the various hubs such as Schiphol or London with the BA code shares going on. It's opening up different markets all the time. So we are talking with our colleagues at Visit Britain to find out where those emerging markets are, so that we're having dialogue with tour operators, wholesalers in those markets, so that we're ahead of the game when the connection does come through. Each business is unique. If they are after the US market, they need to be looking at what their service is like, and what I would advise is that they go again to visitscotland.org, have a look at the USA stats and consumer profiles about what their expectations are, and benchmark themselves against other businesses in Scotland or overseas as to what those are experiencing. Scotland's a small country, but it's rich in what it has to offer. The scenery, the landscapes, the castles, the lochs, our cities are brilliant, each very unique. Glasgow has a very different offering to Edinburgh, Aberdeen and Inverness itself, along with Perth and the recent developments in Dundee as well. So we have a good product. We've got a long history of tourism. Many countries who I've spoken to would love what we have, and I think that's recognised in the consumers. But with the recent homecoming, with the Ryder Cup, with the large events that are coming, which we continue to do with our Event Scotland team, they are trying to raise that brand awareness of what Scotland has to offer, and we continue to do that. And what we need to do is continue to offer that warm welcome, and as direct routes come in, make sure it's a good offering. #ScotSpirit is part of our global brand that we launched in February. It's the first time that Visit Scotland has actually gone with a full global brand. Normally we tailor it to each market. It imbues the Scottish spirit. People know that when they've been to Scotland, they can't put their finger on it, but they feel as if they've been touched in some way, and they feel close to that. So #SpotSpirit is what we encourage all businesses to use in any of their communications on social channels, and confirm that warm welcome that they do get.